are acting like children.
Hey, some of us are children.
You know what I mean.
Yeah. Well, what happened to us? I mean, it started out as a fun family outing and ended up as War of the Winslows.
Grandma's right. This competition stuff is stupid.
You're right, Eddie. I'm going to bed.
Me too. Race you upstairs.
Boy, what a night, huh?
Well, let's just call it a tie.
I'll accept a tie. And the next time I'm better than you at something, I'll just keep it to myself.
And sweetheart, I am sorry for acting like a male chauvinist sometimes.
That's all right, honey. You don't do it very often. In fact, someday soon, you're going to be that enlightened man you told Eddie to be.
Well, I promise I'll keep trying.
That's the spirit.
Ooh, my shoulder. I think I pulled a muscle throwing that last strike.
It wasn't a strike.
Harriet, if you can get this kink out of my shoulder, you can call it anything you like.